Hello everyone, today I will tell you how you can send crypto from Binance to your Phantom wallet. But you should know that you can only send cryptos that are supported on Solana chain. So first log into your Binance account, then go to wallets, and here you will see fiat and spot option. Just click on it. Here you will see all the cryptos that are available in your wallet. So let's take an example that we want to send Solana to our Phantom wallet. We will search for it, and here you will see buy, deposit, withdraw and other options. So all you have to do is just click withdraw because we want to withdraw Solana to our Phantom wallet. And since we want to send it to our Phantom wallet, instead of selecting Binance user, we will select address and then just access your Phantom wallet. In case you have any doubts regarding your Phantom wallet, you can check our playlist. So just copy your Phantom wallet address and paste it on Binance. And the good thing is Binance can automatically detect the network. Earlier we had to do it manually and then just fill up the amount that you want to withdraw and click on withdraw. And in case if some coin is not supported on Solana chain, then Binance will show you an error. Let's try it and copy our Phantom wallet address and paste it on Binance. See, this is the error you will get. So the conclusion is you can only send the cryptos that are supported on Solana chain. Hit that like button if this video helped you and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.